Okay, well, I gotta figure something out. This is gonna be sort of the season finale of what I'm gonna call season one, because I have loved this ROCKNOT Diaries so much. I love everything about it. Documenting the process of building this company, it blows my mind every day. Like being able to watch it back, being able to gain that perspective and see it and watch it and reflect on it, it's invaluable. And what ROCKNOT has become is like blown my mind. So I know I'm never gonna regret documenting the process and having it to look back on and having it to share. The problem is ROCKNOT is doing so well that I literally do not have the time to be doing everything it takes to do this show. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna go dark while I try to figure out a way to streamline the process. I don't know what that means exactly. You know, I was talking to my brother about this yesterday. We were doing a ROCKNOT shoot yesterday. And I was like, the thing that's so hard is I have yet to figure out a way to delegate or streamline or simplify the process of content creation. Like, it has always been so incredibly laborious for me. Everything from coming up with the ideas, to creating the projects, to shooting it myself, to editing it myself, to marketing it myself, to ROCKNOT Diaries, shooting it all myself while I'm working and running this company, and then sitting down and going through the footage and editing it, and then trying to promote it and trying to make shorts so that I have something, like, all in addition to this company that has exploded that is more than a full-time job. So I just can't keep it going this way. The same way in which I had that like panic in whatever that was, like episode 5, where I was just so overwhelmed and I was like, I need systems. ROCKNOT has felt pretty easy to create systems because it's like easy for me to know what I can delegate, and the person who takes over that job is better suited to do it than I am, and making my company better. I'm not sacrificing anything by me not doing it. Whereas with content creation, I have not found that. Like, what I almost need is like a director, and I don't know if I have the budget for that, but it's almost like I need a director who can watch all of the footage and then dictate to an editor, like, this is the story we're telling this week. Because that's the part that is really hard. Filming is, you wouldn't think filming is that hard because it seems like all I do is prop up my phone on a camera, on a tripod, and like just do my thing. However, it has to always be on your mind that you're filming or you forget. Like, there were chunks of time where like weeks went by and I'm like, God, I didn't film anything this week. Like, I was literally so busy working that I forgot to pop up the camera. I got out of the habit that week, and next thing I knew, I had no content and I had nothing. And so keeping it in the back of your mind, it just takes up mental space, and so it is hard sometimes because you're busy, you're working, and you're just like not in that headspace. And so the filming is one part, the editing is one part, the marketing, creating shorts, and then being able to promote them so that it's reaching people. All of that stuff is stuff I have to figure out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this season 1. I'm going to use this as a guide for what I would like to be able to create. And I'm going to see if I can find the right people that hopefully I can afford to help me create it in a more streamlined way. I am going to sort of take a break. I didn't want to disappear. So I sort of wanted this to be like, okay, that was season 1. You watched season 1 of ROCKNOT Diaries. And my goal would be to be back with a season 2 with a little bit of a team in place. I don't know. We'll see. That's my goal. So anyway, for those of you that have watched all of these episodes, I just really want to thank you. It meant so much to be able to see that there was this core group of people kind of going on this journey with me. And so I saw you and I appreciate you and I saw all your comments and it really did mean a lot to me. So thank you very much. I'm gonna keep trying to, figure it out, and hopefully I'll be back very soon. I love you guys.